Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni ha kapor babun ki samla ha kani kapateng kidang wat kam henry ki kendu shibun ki jing ka job fair ka bala pelong da ka National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NIELIT ringkat ber ka employment exchange kala plilat kam ber ka jingkermen ye shibun ngut ki samla ya gani ka job fair la pelong ha susu tham auditorium shillong ha gasni palei ha ga babun ngut ki samla na keleng ki benta jong ka jela kilawan shim benta banwat ikilat kam bat banyo jingye dei bat ki company baper ha bakran shikilat pas hai khubor ka kong sibalin war senior technical officer jong ka NIELIT kala ong bakani ka job fair ka dei kalan ka bakrawan pen kalai ka jong perkhat jong ka samla bat ban pen kre eki na ka benta ka perthai kam menta kala pente babun ki company na ki benta baper kentup ki IT company call centers barkiwi ki kam private kilawan shim benta hakani ka job fair kalau ong ru baman na ka benta ka don hadu nrupau hadu nyopong ki samla ki bashim benta ki bala yo alat ban ai ki CV bar ki jingya dei bed bar ki employer kani kala yarap shibun ban penjan ki samla ba kinong ai kam kham tam ha kapor ba ki jingyo kam kalong ka ba ka NIELIT ringkat bar ka employment exchange kila kentui ki samla ban shim kabu yakum kini kilan ban penroy ki skill technical jengki bat banong ki bala pen khre bahana ka benta ki kam hajilla bat shabar jilaru ka job fair kala pen I bakum kini ki jingalang kilong ki badan kam ban ai ka jingkamen bat kalenti jingya chaprang ya ki samla jong ka jilla
Even students are also somewhere outside also. So 700 around. We wanted more.
Kani ka job fair ka organize da ka office yung kanilid siya ki iko akan kena kani ka job fair nagbenta ki kana bakin participate bakin ki companies ki prepare kidun ki companies ki insurance ki banking ki call centers ki nga ban invite te ni ko iki kena jong garib ka jadu ni bakin one bakin participate bakin yo kata ka awareness ro nagbenta ka counseling ka training kamar ibun jay ki companies mo ka ki bodon ki kam amri tang haslong shabar shalong ro ki ko kin ki kana jeni bakin don kata ka self preparedness bakin long ready bakin ni shabar hindi bakin up tang ko shalong tang hang jaka la jong ki di bandang ready nang ta ki di bandang amang gidon ki counseling gidon ki trainings gidon la gijong ki benta ki kana kana
sa ka if you ibar ka jiwan jig samlah ni kat no kilawan atau ki kimen
ki kan expect kata jing shisha mintan gidan tang hinyak mot sama mata di January sessions ki kana gidan jong ki shlong ti kat kum ko jing le awareness ni ki kalong beyond the expectations ki kana ki one participate then ni bakilang huge turnouts around 831 ki students ki participate kini ki job fair so ni ba na interact but kini ki different companies different stalls ni ba ki one around like 60 to 70 students in each stalls and keep it here kita ka jongki and ki improve kini ki stand ki balada
ni ibar se particular kam percewat kam ta ka jenjar ba te hadu kono se kan ni ka job fair ne ka ba ai orna siki kala pan aji mutoi ki
kani ka job fair kam dei ka ba on kin wan ni kin attend ki interview ki kana kam namanang ni ro kin shim ki katen jong ki kana mantap kin hap visit ki office ki jumpi and then tentu kin sedang ki recruitment process kumno bakin train ki kana lagi jumpi sections ki prepare dari overseas dari domestic dari locals kana ki jumpi sections ti ki kana kim di ban shukwan hne ban shukwan ban submit ke CV ban yo ka kam dari dang pun ki process ki kana ki nom kata self preparedness and awareness can participate. Kami benda kita bakin one bakin participate. Insyaallah tadi am job fair participate ni bagi kena kilong duna bakin one kan participate. Kim bagi kata tak awareness bagi. Benda kasi ni bagi kena kilong curious. Kiwan ban syembenta. Kiwan ban participate ki stalls. Jadi iba kami kalau gajeng yarap kan kena.
Ni isa ka jengdon jong ka employment exchange akpon mensua. Dai tip menta kalong lu ke pen kunu bidang sim em kita be enrollment to kadan em ka job placement ni ki la dan post balai
Nabinta ke employment exchange kidon makit kidon lang ke jongki counseling kidon lang ke jongki training sections kidon lang ke jongki placement recruitment process jongki many busy na po knowledge office
ha
kidon ke support the government dia sedang dia kena ke job fair maka nak kat tu kan Muslim Aslam dia kena ke dirisian ke bawah kapani kandak ke job fair ni sesuatu dia ke support nak ke government dia employ in collaboration with the employment exchange ru dia dan ki support nak kiru bagi nak dan kandak ke kena ke job fair kembang lah omisi skilled as of now like bakin participate they can have and train the candidates okay but you don't ki IT companies they were already found some eligible candidates no kila bakin place be direct ki mantap pada ki don't be on spot job ru kin pawan ki companies jungki and kita pada kini ki companies jungki pada kidang dan kam pada benta ban train ki kena pada so that bakin place kin apa company jungki
kini
kadilah di private sector kadilah di private sector tapi enjoy si balinwa
pibat kum
senior technical officer the office jumpa the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Government of India. Leadership conduct clinical placement drives, in the job fair.